Alright, so we're looking at another worded problem. An elastic band stretches uniformly when a force is applied to it. A force of 20 newtons produces an increase in length of 4 centimeters. Alright, so let's analyze the sentence. An elastic band stretches uniformly when a force is applied to it. So from that, we get that the stretch in the elastic band is directly proportional to the force that is applied. So that means that as the force increases, the stretch in the elastic band will increase. If the force decreases, the stretch in the elastic band will also decrease. So the first thing I'm going to say is to let S represent the stretch in the elastic band, and let F represent the force applied. Alright, so as we said, the stretch in the elastic band happens uniformly when a force is applied. So that means the stretch is directly proportional to force. So we can say S is directly proportional to F. And we know what the question is going to ask next to some extent. So we can go ahead and form the equation that connects stretch to force. And we know that's going to be S equal KF. So we have our equation. So now we can look at the rest of the question. So the next sentence says a force of 20 newtons. So when F is 20, produces an increase in length of 4 centimeters. Stretch equals 4 centimeters. So we already have our equation S equal KF. So we can just go ahead and substitute. S is 4, K is what we need first of all, and F is 20. So 20K is equal to 4. We want K, so we divide both sides by 20. And no, you do not put the bigger number at the top. You divide both sides by whatever number is beside the letter. So we divide by 20. So we can simplify this fraction. 4 into 4, 1, 4 into 20, 5. So therefore, K is equal to 1 over 5. And if you don't like working with fractions, you can say K is equal to 0.2. Alright, so now that we found K, we can actually answer part A of the question. And it says, what force will produce an increase in length of 7.5 centimeters? So again, we start off with our equation, S equals KF. And they said what force will produce an increase in length of 7.5 centimeters. So we want a stretch of 7.5. So replace S with 7.5. K we said was 0.2. Or if you want to work with the fraction, 1/5. So now we have 7.5 equals 0.2 F. So we want F, we divide both sides by whatever number is beside it. So that's 0.2. 7.5 divided by 0.2 is 37.5 newtons. So the question was, what force will produce an increase in length of 7.5 centimeters? The answer is 37.5 newtons. Part B says, what increase in length will be produced by a 17 newton force? So again, you must start with your equation. So S equal KF. What increase in length will be produced by a 17 newton force? So this time we're trying to find the stretch. K is 0.2 and the newton, the force, is 17. So the stretch is going to be 0.2 multiplied by 17, and 2 times 17 is 34, 1 decimal place, so that is going to be 3.4 centimeters. And that's it for the question.